Hi mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? Sana ba okay lang kayo? Ako ulit. So, sa mga new subscriber po natin, thank you so much po. Highly appreciated. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga nag-like, nag-comment, nag-share, okay sa akin namang mga returning subscriber, hello po. Kamusta po kayo dyan? So, stay connected po tayo, no? Tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa ating mga ka-UVG collective. Maaring naganap na po, magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap, pero we'll see. Okay, so sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Three of Pentacles. The Empress. Seven of Pentacles. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, use your own discernment. Kung ikaw ay lalaki nanonood nito, this Sunday, ini-embody mo ang feminine energy, understanding, maalalahanin, mapagbigay, empathy. Okay. Together with the moon card, there is something hidden situation na hindi mo mailagay yung daliri mo. Hindi mo may point out pero may something. Okay. Three of Pentacles, collaboration, teamwork, creativity, and productivity when it comes to resources, Virgo. At saka with the Empress card, as I said, creativity, productivity, creator. Okay. Meron kang gustong i-create dito regarding sa gusto mo makipag-partnership or merong gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. I don't know whatever it is, pero baka platform or something is working out for you, Virgo. Okay. With the Seven of Pentacles is you know that you invest and you are waiting patiently here. You're not thinking, hindi mo nga iniisip eh. I mean, basta alam mo sa sarili mo, your hard work is going to be paid off in a very unexpected way. Okay, kasi ang Seven of Pentacles is investment, waiting, harvest, waiting to harvest, timing. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito sa 3 cards, Virgo. Either may gusto makipag-partnership sa'yo dahil nakikita ang potential dito. Okay, when it comes to idea, creativity, productivity, understanding into the situation, sympathy. And with the Three of Pentacles is about collaboration, teammate, creativity na din. Okay. With the Seven of Pentacles is waiting. Paulit-ulit ako, sorry lang. But with the Moon card, merong sitwasyon na hindi mo may there is something na gusto mong alamin. Ang Moon card is hidden emotion, hidden something, very mysterious. Okay, so, or baka may namimisteryohan sa'yo, Virgo. Masyado kang misteryoso sa kung sino man ang gustong makipag-team up sa'yo. Okay. What else? Wala po tayong gender sa energy as I said. What else? Three of Swords and the Sun card. Interesting, Virgo. Upright ang Three of Swords at saka upright ang the Sun card. And with the Page of Cups. Merong stuck dito or merong heartbroken. Heartbroken, bakit? Nine of Cups at saka King of Swords. Sa mga sabi-sabi dyan, Virgo, Hindi lahat ng mga matatamis na salita is, you know what I mean, sweet talker. You are going to get what you want, like this, like this. It's not gonna happen, Virgo. I mean, mas mabuti pang manghusga sa character ng isang person kaysa sa maniwala sa mga words. Okay. Yun lang gusto kong i-point out dun. And I think kung sino man to para sa'yo, this person feel heartbroken because you are good with your own. Kung meron man ditong nagsasabi na um, kasi may gusto mapag-teammate sa'yo dito eh. Makipag-teammate or makipag-collaborate. But in some point, you're good with the Nine of Pentacles. Kung ano man ang nirarush in nitong Knight of Swords, wala sa hulog kasi alam mo kung anong isasagot mo with the Empress card. And dahil sa sagot mo, that you're doing good by your own, you don't need anything, hindi ko naman sinabing you don't need anything. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? Para po sa mga Virgong nag-heal or kontento sa kung anong status nila ngayon. Mahirap man na masaya man, meron man sa wala, nagigets mo ko. Pero kontento, alam mo kung anong kaya mong gawin, anong kaya mong i-offer, then you're good. Kasi meron ditong sweet talker. Okay, the moment na binara mo to or sinabi mo na I'm fine, okay lang. You know what I mean? Kung nag-offer to ng partnership, I think ang sagot mo dito is very straightforward na mafe-feel talaga ng person na to na independent ka and you are happy with your own. And this person is heartbroken with the Three of Swords. Okay. So, I think lahat ng sasabihin niya may pangtapal ka. Yes, Virgo, admirer. May mga admirer ka dito. Kung meron man mga suitors, Virgo, na mga, you're good. At saka ramdam nila yon. Ramdam nila kung sino man yung mga suitors mo dyan, sino man ang mga gusto makapag-team up sa'yo. Alam nilang, you're, sanay kang mag-isa or prefer mong mag-isa. I think, you've been through a lot with the Empress card. The Fool card. Merong free-spirited person. Together with the Four of Pentacles. Savings. Okay. Strength card. And the Seven of Cups. So, nakikita ko dito, Virgo, nag-i-explore ka sa mga alam mong kikita ka. Okay. Kahit sino naman eh. Pero yun ang scenario nakikita ko dito. I think magkakaroon ka ng energy dito na kung sino man itong mga na-reject. Itong mga na-reject. Feeling rejected by you, Virgo. Lakas ng dating mo dito eh. At saka with the Full card, always taking a risk. Nakikita ka nila as a very risky person to deal with. Pero yun na nga, nagkatotoo yung iniisip nila na very risky ka. And at the same time, yung para bagang approach ba ako or hindi? Baka mapahiya lang ako kind of energy. So at the end of the day, yun nga. Pero yung pag-deliver mo ng salita mo is in a very good way. Pero hindi lang kayang tanggapin with the Three of Swords. Okay. I'm sorry. But with the Full card, Four of Pentacles, and the Strength card, you're all about the savings here, exploring new things when it comes to resources. Kung saan alam mong mag-income ka or saan, focus ka on something here, Virgo. Wala kang time sa mga suitors. Okay, pagdating sa mga sweet talker, no, your ex, you're done. Empress card is expert na, lesson learned. The Wheel of Fortune gusto mag-pop out. So, mahina ba ang boses ko? Pasensya na. Ako maka-all out eh. Seven of Swords and the Hermit card. Strategically doing something behind the scene. Merong nag-i-introspect dito, or as I said kanina, may potential. May nakikita ka ng potential dito, pero the way na i-study ka ng person na to is very sneaky. Okay. You are dealing, or someone is dealing with multiple person. Bakit ko nasabing multiple person with the Seven of Swords? I think may nakausap ka na dito na heartbroken, tapos merong gustong pumasok na isa pa in a very sneaky way, pero tinitingnan niya kung ano yung mga galawan mo. Hindi rin ito alam. Wow, Virgo. Daming suitors this Sunday, Sunday ba? Sunday ngayon. Or maybe time is fluid, so hindi natin alam kung ngayon to maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Pero definitely meron ditong confused. Nagbibigay ng mixed signals. So with the confusing card, nakikita na you're all about the bag, the opportunities, you're taking a risk here about your creativity na alam mo magpo-prosper ka, or alam mo mas financially makakasave ka with the Four of Pentacles. Very strong when it comes to financial and creativity. Three of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles. The Empress card. You are using your own experience. Okay, here Virgo. But with the Seven of Cups, someone is confused. Kaya with the Hermit, gusto niyang i-check ang background mo dito, or what kind of character you are showing publicly or behind the scene. And this person, kung sino man to, ini-study ka nito behind the scene. Very sneaky with the Seven of Swords. What else? May mga ano na dito, heartbroken, mga rejection ako nakikita, Virgo, because ipinapakita mo na you are doing good, you are doing fine, you are feeling complete. Okay. Meron ka ditong Queen of Wands, go-getter, fiery energy. The Moon card, very mysterious. And the High Priest, intuition is very sharp. Ace of Wands, aftering your passion and new beginning here. Focusing more on a spiritual level. Merong ano dito, merong na misteryosa, ang dami mong features, ang dami mong, parang everyday baka. Okay, so someone is confused, someone is foggy, so kailangan niya mag-sneak out. Kailangan niya mag-sneak out para malaman kung truth seeker ang the Hermit card. Okay. Gaining knowledge into the situation, Virgo. So, habang confused siya dito sa energy mo, nakikita niya, marami siyang nadidiscover na mataas ang intuition mo. Fiery energy, go-getter energy, unstoppable energy, and as well as mysterious energy. So, hindi niya alam kung saan niya ilalagay sarili niya dito, pero very interested siyang malaman on how, paano mo alam yung alam mo. Well, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng ano to. Bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan mag-fit in sa'yo yan. Pero someone is seeing you as, dang. Hindi niya alam, baka witch ka or something with the High Priest and the Moon card and the Queen of Wands together with the Ace of Wands. Or talagang sadyang ini-embody mo lang yung Empress card na very mysterious, ang daming features. Ten of Swords. At saka Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Meron na tayong Three of Pentacles. Ay, Six of Pentacles pala yun. Sorry. Six of Pentacles, very generous card. It's okay. It makes sense pa rin. Kasi nandito pa rin yung creativity. Six of Pentacles pala to, guys. Ito pala yung Three of Pentacles. So, ang ending ng Ang ending ng reading na 'to dito na part, um, dito na part merong gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo or may suitors ka. Ang Six of Pentacles is akala siguro nila bibigay ka. Kasi nga may Six of Pentacles ka, very generous ka, very feminine energy, understanding, sympathy. Kinikwento nila yung story nila sa'yo but at the end of the day you say no. Okay. So iniisip siguro nila ay this person is mabait. Mabait to. Naiintindihan niya yung sitwasyon ko. So, sasamantalahin with the Knight of Swords, with Talker. And then at the end of the day, reject with the Three of Swords. Pero in a very good way. And then meron naman dito sa second row on the other hand, nakikita niyang focus ka sa finances mo and you are a very strong, you have a very, very strong personality, boundaries, and you are a very free-spirited person when it comes to exploring new things dito, Virgo, sa second row, pero confused. And ini-study ka ng person na to in a very sneaky way. Okay? And very mysterious. Your intuition is lagging on point. Nagtataka tong person na to why you are very mysterious and you are on point. In some point. Ace of Wands, new beginning here, very passionate, very creative, go-getter, very fiery. But with the Ten of Swords, lot of experience. Three of Pentacles in the reverse, I think you prefer to work alone. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. What else? Knight of Pentacles. So, merong offer coming in. Pero I think with the Three of Pentacles, basta merong offer dito. Offer or apology. Oh, sorry. Sorry, i-edit ko na lang. Marirestrict na naman ako nito eh. So, with the Star card, Virgo. Star card to With the Star card, public eye or you are healed completely based on experience with the Empress card. So merong offer dito when it comes to partnership, pero I think mas alam mo ang sarili mo kapag ikaw lang ang nag-ooperate. Alam mo yung sitwasyon kung anong, hindi ko naman sinabi na ayaw mo ng partnership or ayaw mo ng partner or something in that line. Pero meron kang specific na prefer mong mag-isang gawin. Okay. Before ka mag-offer ng, oh, okay na yan. Ikaw naman, diskarte mo na yun para maganga ng energy. What else? Ten of Wands, responsibility, Star card, and the Ten of Wands. So, multitasking, Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. You hit rock bottom, Virgo. And with the Ten of Wands is like multitasking, responsibility. Alam mo na, sunod-sunod. Step by step para paulit-ulit na lang sa araw-araw. So, expert ka na nga dito. And someone sees that and someone perceive you as expert on what you are doing. Very mysterious, very passionate, very creative. Virgo, funny at the same time with the Sun card. May humor ka, humor. Together with the Knight of Wands. So, may rushing in dito, Virgo. Pay attention. Merong communication incoming in. But be careful with this person kasi mapaperceive mo siya as a flirty one in a very nonchalant way with the Hermit card, Seven of Swords. Meron kang Seven of Swords. So, para sa Knight of Wands is a wishy-washy kind of energy. Player type energy, pero meron lang siyang nagpe-pay attention siya to details. Especially when getting closer siya sa energetic field mo. Meron siyang feel vibrationally. Tsaka ini-introspect niya yan sa sarili niya. Hindi niya alam kung ano meron ka, hindi niya mailagay yung daliri niya. Parang hindi niya mai-point out, pero parang may something interesting. Very mysterious. Oh, itong nakatakip star card to ha. So this person, nakikita ka niya as nag-heal, going through healing, or maybe you are healed. With the Empress card, I think expertise, meron kang expertise, you are in the public eye or something, putting yourself in the public. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Communication is the key, Virgo. Communication is the key and your commitment is being tested. So, saang area ng buhay may lalagay ang advice na yan. Kailangan mo mag-communicate and it's time to take action. Okay. So, you need to tell your truth, Virgo, when it comes to your passion, creativity, and partnership. Maybe you prefer something specific na gawing alone, gawing mag-isa. And after that, maybe pwede nang the answer you need are coming. Okay, kung ano man ang hinahanap mong tanong, nandyan na ang sagot. Malapit na siya. Maybe this Sunday or maring naganap na, maring natanggap mo na. Okay. Or matatanggap mo pa lang or kasalukuyan on the process. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Pasensya na kung medyo mahina ang boses ko. Okay, so. Meron kang 196 Virgo. I-google mo siya, 196. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. This is what I have for you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one and bye for now.